Could just $100 eventually become 100,000? It sounds crazy, but time can make small money surprisingly powerful. The secret isn't getting rich overnight. It's giving your money enough time to grow and keeping your strategy consistent.
Imagine you start with just $100. Instead of spending it, you put it to work for your future.
Then, you add a small amount regularly. You don't need to be rich. You need to be consistent. Why does this work? Because your investment can potentially earn returns, and those returns can earn returns too. Think about planting a tree. You don't see a huge tree after one day. Growth takes time. This is called compound growth. At first, the progress looks slow, but over time, the growth can become much faster. The same idea applies to investing. Your biggest advantage is not speed, it's time. Now imagine adding money every month instead of investing only once. Month after month, year after year, those contributions can build a much larger investment balance. And here's the important part. Real investments don't grow in a straight line. Some years can be strong. Other periods can be difficult. That's why patience matters.
Instead of chasing quick profits, focus on a long-term plan that matches your goals and risk level.
Don't invest money you need for an emergency, and never assume returns are guaranteed. The goal is simple: save regularly, invest wisely, keep learning, and give your money time. Could this exact example guarantee $100,000? No. Investment returns are never guaranteed. But the lesson is powerful. Small amounts combined with regular investing and long-term compounding can create meaningful wealth. So don't wait for the perfect time. Start learning, start saving, and let time become your greatest financial advantage.